What do you know about this leaf? And what do you call it on your dialect? We Igbos are call it mmuo, spirit cocoyam. Spirit cocoyam, yam mmuo. At least you can identify this leaf on your surrounding. Igafuna, it have red and white color in it. Drop the name of this leaf on your dialect. Okay? But the question I want to ask, does this have any spiritual effects or positive effects in human's life? This leaf or being the fruit. This is the more when you hear the more kachasi wele me both na more na mmadụ. Onwela enyemaka ọ na-enyere na ndụ mmadụ or within your surrounding. I just pluck it on the street where I live. And ihe abụrụ na Igbo. Ihe abụrụ na Igbo ka nọ were na-eme video na light na. Mana ya bụ ihe juru eju ọ bara abara na Igbo. So in the medical field, when we hear I want to ask experts who specialize in plants. When we hear now, both in the medical field. Remember that Igbo adage said that Ikwamaro Ibezi. I just ask question. Remember what I said. Igbos are called it mmuo, spirit cocoyam. This is the leaf. Okay, this is the leaf. So I want you to lay down your opinion. Or is there any benefit you can derive from this leaf or the seed? Okay, so tell me so that we can able to learn from each other. Okay, you can identify it within your surrounding. Okay, I have to stop here. Thank you. Bye for now.